Peter Schiff is standing by with a point that he's thought up on our brilliant idea that the refinancing boom might kill his pessimism.
Yeah, first of all, Simon, you have to understand, when you talked about the fact that a borrower, when he gets to refinance his mortgage, he wins because he has lower payments. Well, that's a zero-sum game because the lender loses. His cash flow is diminished by the same amount. Now, the problem is you've got all these banks that own these low-yielding mortgages. They're surviving right now because the Fed is making up the difference by giving them money for free. But when that bond bubble bursts and the Fed is forced to raise interest rates, and all of a sudden rates aren't zero, but what if they're 7%?
How about the velocity of money? Hold on a second. I mean, you've got consumer spending, you've got banks that are getting money cheaper from the government, they're lending it cheaper. Money is churning through the system, is exactly what the Fed wants.
No, but you're missing the point that we are putting ticking time bombs on our financial institutions. They're holding 30-year paper where they're yielding 4 and 5%, but they're borrowing money for nothing from the Fed. When the Fed raises interest rates...
Your assumption, again, is that the Fed is about to blow up.
At some point in time...
for consumers. They have more money to spend.
Let me finish my point. At some point in time, interest rates have to rise. And when they do, all the banks will fail because their balance sheets can't survive it. So we're setting up this explosion.
You were probably saying interest rates were going to rise, about 6 months ago.
Hyperinflation.
Are you going to tell me that we're never...
People said we were going to 5.
Are you going to tell me...
When are rates going higher?
Are you going to... Is it impossible that the Fed funds rate can ever get back up to, say, 7% sometime in the next 5 or 10 years?
Not in my lifetime.
So in your lifetime, in the rest of your life...
Not anytime soon, no.
We have to leave it there.
I got to ask Peter.
That's just ridiculous.
Peter, stop.
Peter, do you eat organic?
Yes, I do.
More
I agree with you.
money coming up.